So I had a lot of people ask me how this tilt system works, and I'm going to show you. Okay. We got 3 panels, 1, 2, 3. Now they are on super struts. These are the real beefy ones right here. Okay. Then you got the little nuts that go up inside here, the little spring nuts for the super struts. And that's what's holding the panels onto the strut themselves. Okay, got that? Now we got a 2x6 that runs from one strut to the next. Got some 1/4-inch bolts that hold that in place. And this 4x4 is on a hinge. Got me? So this is on a hinge. Same exact setup. 2x6. It's on a hinge. Okay. Last thing is these are also on a hinge. So the super struts are mounted to this 2x6. So this is the part that actually moves. This moves and these move. Right there. Okay. So summertime, we're going to flatten these out. I about tripped. Going to flatten these out to say 6 degrees. So as they flatten, that top 4x4, which is attached down here. See a super strut with all these holes in it? And that one's attached to the super strut. And I've got to tighten those up still. As we flatten it out, that top one will extend out to here. I could attach it to that strut. And this one, as we flatten it out, will go that way. And we'll attach it to right there. Right now we're at 37 degrees. So this is essentially our fall orientation. But we'll call it September orientation because I could adjust these each month with all the amount of adjustments, all the hose I could adjust it. I could adjust it pretty much every day if I wanted to. Well, no, not necessarily because there's not 365 holes, but there's a lot of damn holes. I can make a lot of adjustments. Just to give you an example, yesterday, September 18th, we went from summer orientation, call it 6 degrees, to 37 degrees. So the last couple of days we were getting about 90 kilowatts a day. After that adjustment, I got 135. So it was like a 30% improvement. So if you could build you a tilt system, do it. Do it. 'Cause I lost power because I didn't have this set up in, say, July and August. Other things happen on the farm, and you just kind of put these to the wayside. Well, that's my fault. I should have had focus on this so I could maximize my power for those last couple months that we've had. But so we got 54 400-watt Trina panels and 3 Sunny Boy inverters. That's the setup. But this is the tilting system, and like I said, there's that rail. That one will adjust. That one will adjust. Let me get my golf clubs here. I was hitting that back. Y'all have a good one.